Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows grow. First, select a fresh marshmallow, preferably a standard-sized one, and place it on a microwave-safe plate. Ensure there is ample space around it for expansion. You'll observe a dramatic increase in size as the heat causes the trapped air and moisture to expand rapidly. This simple experiment demonstrates the physical properties of these sweet treats in a fun and engaging way, often reaching several times its original volume. The magic behind marshmallow growth is quite fascinating. When you heat a marshmallow, the water content inside quickly turns into steam. This steam, along with the air already trapped in the marshmallow's porous structure, expands dramatically. The gelatin, which gives marshmallows their bouncy texture, softens and becomes flexible, allowing the entire structure to stretch and inflate like a balloon. This process can increase its volume by 3 to 4 times. For the most impressive marshmallow growth, a microwave oven is your best tool. Place 1 or 2 marshmallows on a plate and heat them on high for about 10 to 15 seconds. Watch closely, as they can expand rapidly, sometimes reaching a diameter of 3 to 4 inches. Overheating will cause them to melt into a sticky puddle, so precise timing is key to achieving maximum puffiness without losing their shape entirely. After your marshmallow has reached its peak expansion, remove it from the microwave. You'll notice that as it cools, it will gradually deflate, shrinking back to a size much closer to its original form, though often a bit denser. The texture will also change, becoming chewier and sometimes slightly caramelized on the outside. This transformation offers a unique sensory experience, demonstrating the temporary nature of the expansion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.